mungkin dekat rumah yang area tu boleh terima anjing, tak pukul dia, sayang dia. Sorry. My name is Huda. I'm a veterinary assistant. Solis is my first foster dog. First time I rescue him dekat section 16. My friend works there. He called me, "Oh Huda, ada injured dog here." So I came and then tengok ada satu puppy. He was hit by a hilux. Actually, he got siblings. Her sibling died. And then I immediately hugged him, bring him to the clinic. He was covered with lots of dirt, fleas. We did an x-ray because his leg is limping. So it's a broken leg. That you can see there. I secretly brought him home, but my family didn't know. The next day, my mother know, and my mother said, "What's that? Why you bring dog inside?" I just cakap yang nak bawa pergi klinik, so tumpang rumah kejap, and then she okay. Solis really lift my spirit up when I'm feeling down. There's a lot of work, so I just go to Solis and I hug him, then I feel calm. I hope that he will get adopted, but deep down inside my heart, I want to take him home. It's a mixed feeling actually. I want him to get adopted, but at the same time I don't want to let him go. But if it's best for him, I will let him go. So kita nak dia dapat family yang bagus. Walaupun I tak dapat nak jaga dia sekarang, hopefully lah one day. So kita harap sangat Malaysia boleh jadi macam negara-negara lain. Mungkin satu hari nanti diorang boleh treat anjing dan kucing straight sama macam they treat their own family. Sayang diorang, bagi diorang nice environment. Kita sangat rasa happy lah. Tu yang, tapi sedih jugalah sebab tak dapat bawa dia balik kan. At least bila kita dapat pergi sekali-sekala tengok dia pun dah cukup lah. Bye. See you again. Bye. Later I come see you again, okay?